And now to those rising gas prices. They are up significantly the past week in Colorado, jumping 12 cents a gallon, in fact. News First 5's John Romero live tonight with more on that. John, lots of discussion on what can be done to help bring those prices down. Obviously, everybody wondering how that's going to happen.
That's right, Rob. There are lines being drawn right now over exactly what the U.S. can do about the price of gas. The White House is considering tapping one of our nation's reserves. On the other hand, we spoke to a congressman who says that's not the answer, but the solution does lie here at home. We're speaking to people on both sides of that argument tonight for balanced coverage. It seems every week you're paying more at the pump.
Prices are ridiculous.
One of the worst areas, this gas station in Florida near the Orlando International Airport. The price? Try $5.39 for a gallon of regular. Here in southern Colorado, it's not as bad, but we have seen an increase over the last month of about 33 cents per gallon. With prices rising due to tensions in the Middle East, the White House is looking at the possibility of tapping America's strategic oil reserve to bring down prices.
We're looking at the options. There's the issue of the reserves is one we're considering. It is something that only is done and has been done on very rare occasions.
The last time that happened was during the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina. For another opinion, we talked to Republican Congressman Scott Tipton of Colorado. He says there's a better way to help the situation, and it starts here at home.
We can reinvigorate our economy and help serve American energy needs by reinvigorating energy development on the western slope of Colorado and doing it responsibly.
Tipton says the oil here and further west could help make the U.S. much more energy independent, which would then lower our gas prices.
When we look at the entire region, in the western United States, the U.S. Geological Service has stated that there are 1.6 trillion barrels of oil, enough oil to be able to run the United States for better than 200 years.
Still, most of the focus now revolves around the conflicts in Libya. The White House has said if America can help settle that, you shouldn't be feeling as much of a pinch the next time you fill up. And here in Colorado, we still do have some of the lowest gas prices across the country. Even so, since this time last year, gas prices in our state have risen about 70 cents per gallon. Reporting live in Colorado Springs, John Romero, News First 5.